Welcome! Let's go. So today we're going to go over some fundamental mathematics, some basic rules. So we're going to go over the order of operations. So let's explain it real quick. So I've drawn a little rule here, which states that in the order you're supposed to calculate a formula by. So if you take the first one, parentheses, this is the first one you're going to calculate, inside of a priority formula in math. And the second one is exponents. And then we got the root of something. So basically, if we got parentheses, you should prioritize those first, and then go over to exponents, and then the root of something. And then we got the third column, and that's multiplication and division. So you're pretty much going to start with multiplication and then go over to division in the order of the formula. And then at last, the fourth rule is addition and subtraction. So let's take two examples here. So if we got 3 plus 4 times 2, we can look at this table right here and see that times is above addition, or multiplication, not times. And then you can see that we should basically take 4 times 2 instead of 3 plus 4. Does that make sense? I'm the best teacher right here. Let's go with it. Okay, so basically, how do we draw this out? So we'll take 3 plus 4 times 2. So 8, basically. That's the way we're supposed to do it, because multiplication goes over the actual addition. So you're supposed to prioritize multiplication, It's easy, dude. This is fundamental math. It's not sigma. It's not, okay. So basically, and this will be 11. 11, not 12. So this is the answer right here, 11 to the first question. Okay, we're going to go over something a little bit more hard, a little bit more difficult, a little bit more juicy, if I may say so. So this is the example 2 right here. We see, 2 parentheses, the square root of 4 times 3 plus, or add 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2. So that's the formula that we're going to write out. So is equal to, and if we look at this table tray, we see that parentheses, we're supposed to prioritize the the parentheses first, okay? So basically, we draw out the square root of 2, the 4 I mean, and that's equal to 2, because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And basically, if you want the formula of the square root, this is the formula. So basically, the square root of x is equal to y to the power of 2, for an example. Y to the power of 2 is equal to the square root of x. That's our rule right here. So basically, yeah, this is our rule right here. You gotta listen to that rule. So, so that's 2 times 3. Now, we don't need to write out these parentheses because we have actually solved the actual equation. But I'm going to do it just in case we forget. So plus 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4, divided by 2. So let's make it a little bit more easy. So we'll go over the percentages first, which is 2 times 3 is equal to 6, plus or add 4 divided by 2. And now we see here, which one are we supposed to go with first? Are we supposed to go with 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10, or should we go with 4 divided by 2 and then plus 6? So the actual correct answer here is to go with the division first. Basically, if we look at this table, we see that division right here goes over the actual addition. So let's calculate this. 6 plus what's What's the sum of 4 divided by 2? Yeah, that's 2, because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And this will equal out to 8. Easy! Freaking easy! You gotta know this inside of the fundamental mathematics. It's a key component to making it to learning the order of operations that we also call them. So this is the rule right here. We always gotta follow this rule. So you should memorize this rule because it's going to get really easy then when you're supposed to calculate different formulas. So parentheses, exponents, root of something. We got multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So that's the lesson for today. My name is Leo Guffason, and this is my tutorial on formula operations. Thank you so much, GG's boys.